Good morning, local news for Tuesday, March the 7th. An extraordinary meeting was held at the South Wairarapa District Council chambers last Thursday to hear and deliberate on submissions to the draft Easter Sunday shopping training policy. 244 submissions were received, with 200 submitters in favour. The council voted unanimously to adopt the Easter Sunday trading policy. The adoption of the policy has now been approved by all councils. The hospitality sector remains a strong contributor to total growth, according to figures released from Paymark. Accommodation spending is up 10.9% and food and beverage services up 8.4% between the 1st and 28th of February compared to 2016. The Wairarapa saw a 3.8% annual percentage change increase, with a total spend in the month of $40.9 million. And congratulations to the Carterton Volunteer Fire Brigade, who picked up a third at the National Waterways Championships last weekend, held in Camo. And in sports, last night wrapped up the three-night Breakcraft Children's Triathlon Series held at Wairarapa College. Over 450 kids per night have taken part in the annual event, and last week's Featherston Athletics held a very good children's triathlon as well, with over 75 children participating. Good morning. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.